Hello again, welcome to another cooking episode with Lucky Bamboo. Uh, Today we're gonna do a jicama salad. There's a jicama, it's right there, one jicama. And with that we're gonna put some shrimp. I got some jumbo shrimp here, I'm gonna steam it. And I have one carrot, one cucumber, couple oranges and lime, some Thai chili pepper, and garlic. I forgot to put in here. I need some garlic and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and let's steam the jumbo shrimp. Well, this is how I steam the shrimp because this is a frozen shrimp, so don't need to put water in the pan. Just toss it in there and put the lid on, and let it cook for about 5 minutes, and the shrimp should be steamed. That's how you steam the shrimp. So just put the lid on about 5 minutes or so. Don't need to put water in there because the frozen shrimp got plenty of water. With the jicama, you got a tough skin right here. You got to remove all the tough skin and just you can just peel it. You want to remove all the tough skin because that's not edible. It's going to be a very delicious recipe. Jicama is a very crunchy and sweet. So if you ever tried it, try it. Do it. Just slice it like this. Slice it this way. Alright, let's prepare all the other vegetable. Carrot, just peel it and just add color to the salad. Alright, just cut in half and cut in half again. If you could kind of julienne it like this. Alright. With the cucumber, which peel the skin. Alright. Just cut the cucumber into small pieces like this. Okay. With the orange, peel the orange. Alright, one more orange. Alright, let's do the shrimp. Alright, the shrimp is cooked here. Take the shell off. It's a little hot. I want to slice it in half like this. Toss all this in there. And alright, I prepared the sauce for this salad right here. I got some garlic right here. Or maybe one more. Garlic in there. Now we're gonna make the sauce. Put in the sugar and just pound it. Alright, put in the fish sauce. Squeeze. Okay, maybe one more. Mix it really good. Give a little taste. Maybe put a little of fish sauce. Not salty enough. Just a bit more. Alright, give a little taste. It's good enough. Let's pour into the salad. Let's mix it all up. Let's cut some chili pepper in there. Put some chili pepper, some Thai chili pepper in there. Get some spice, get a little spicy. Okay. And just mix it all up. Okay, let's plate it up. I think this is the final product. Jicama salad with shrimp, carrots, and orange, and I sprinkle a little bit of cilantro on the top there. I hope you try this recipe out because it's very delicious and healthy. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this recipe I tried. Thank you again. Bye bye.